In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to install the Bali inside mount roller shades. Now the inside mount is one of the nicest looking mounts. It looks kind of custom. It gets everything kind of set back into the window so things aren't sticking out. And the roller shades are very nice because there's no cord pulls. You basically just pull them down, let go, and they're going to stop wherever you let go of them. I did a video installing these about 4 or 5 years ago, but they did change the design a little bit. I have a better camera and lighting now, so hopefully this video was an improvement. Now once you get your roller shades out of the box, you're going to be met with some horrible instructions. There's going to be lots of them, and it is very confusing to install these. But hopefully this video will help you out. Open up everything, get it all laid out on your bed or on a table, wherever you're going to mount it. All these instructions are just very confusing in this system. Get all your hardware out, make sure you just have everything. First thing we need to do, these are the contoured valence brackets. This is the dust cover. We have to get these brackets into the dust cover, and that's kind of difficult. You have to kind of twist them into place. I already have these installed, but I'm going to show you how to put one in. An up close look of that bracket. Now these have to go in a certain way. You see how this side here is angled? That's the side you want to rotate. If you try to rotate into this side, it doesn't work. So you're going to be twisting so that this is your leading edge. So you're going to put these in an angle like this, and as you twist them, they will pop into place. But if you put this on a solid surface, they're even harder to put in. So if you put them on a bed where you can actually flex this dust cover, they actually go in a little easier. See how I push down and this flexes? They pop into place easier than on a solid surface. How big your window is, you might have 3 or 4 of these brackets, but go ahead and get them all into place and then go ahead and center them on your dust cover, and now we're going to mount the dust cover. Here's the window that we're going to be working with. We're going to be going up to the very top of the window. This is your jamb right here, and this is where that dust cover is going to fasten to. Lift the dust cover into place, and it should be maybe flush pretty close to the edge of your door jamb right here. And then we're going to pre-drill some holes through these screws in this bracket, and then we're going to put our screws in to hold the dust cover and these brackets into place. The screws we're going to be using to install that dust cover, you're going to want to pre-drill so you don't split the wood. You just want to make sure your drill bit is quite a bit smaller than the screw. So this is a 1/16 diameter drill bit, and that should be the perfect size for this screw. There are 3 screw holes per bracket, but you don't need that many screws. This isn't holding up much weight. So I just put 1 screw in the center of each one. If you want to add more screws, that's up to you. You need to install our 3 top mount brackets. And if you take a look at these up close, you'll see how it's got a spring loaded mechanism in there. So this is going to be the front side. This is going to be the back side. So if you see this kind of plastic piece hanging down, that should be into the window. I'm going to go ahead and install this bracket, and you're just going to put them, maybe an inch or 2 away from your valence brackets. I like the valence brackets in a little more because it's lighter weight. And then I like these brackets here a little more towards the outside for better support. And then you'll see how this springs back like that. At this point, you should have all 3 of your valence brackets in and all 3 of your roller shade brackets in. It should look something like this. We can install our roller shade, but don't just push it straight up. It's got to go in at an angle. So if you look at it like this, you're going to kind of put it in this way and rotate this way. You're putting it in at this angle, popping it up in the back. Then you got to kind of get your fingers behind the roller back in here and push up. All right, so also when you're clicking it in place, you should see this little plastic piece here kind of move in and out, and you should hear it click. And you can just kind of work your way along each one to make sure that it's pushed up tight. Now once that's installed, you can go ahead and take your roller, pull it down, and wherever you let go, it should stay in place. And now we're going to install our valance, but it has to go on a certain way as well. You can see how this slot here is wider than this one. This is the area here that's going to clip onto those brackets, not this one. So this is going to be the top side. So this is going to clip on like this. You kind of start with the top and rotate it down and it will pop into place. So you want to get it lined up as close as possible. Rotate down, and then with this hand and the one behind it, I'm just going to kind of push it together. And then just go down all 3 brackets and do the same. Now here's what it looks like from the front side. And here's what it looks like from the side. Notice the valance just sticks out just a little bit, and then the roller shade is set back into the jamb. So it's got a really nice custom look. And then this is what it looks like from the bottom looking up. So now here's the operation of the shade. Wherever I stop it when I pull down, it's going to stay right there. There's no cords anywhere. This is a really clean look. I pull it down a little more, let go, stays right there. If I want it to go up, I just pull down a little bit. Goes up nice and slow. And that's all there is to it, guys. Just take your time and you'll get this done. These instructions are terrible, and that's why I did the video. You're going to have a really nice custom look shade when you're all done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.